guys. Them boy chasing us. We make them have a wild goose chase.
Now, I'm gonna go up this street right here.
Walk the while, you know.
Up this street here. Go across the street. Go stay where you can see this down the street. Okay?
Here comes the wind again.
This way. Right here. I can see down this street. Behind. And we just sit here and wait. So they see us. Let them think they're gonna catch us, and then put the afterburners on them and leave us in the dust.
They came through here where this they building this new house at. And they
I
were
like playing tag. Tag you it, but you can't tag me to make me it.
we're not supposed to be in this bike lane, but we're supposed to be
I
in
don't
that
care.
one, but
I can go in either lane. I'm a dangerous dude, man. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm a dangerous dude. I'm gonna outrun your butt.
can I get off my bike?
You can get off the bike. Shoot. You can get off the bike just yeah.
To relax, you know?
Yeah, relax, man.
How many times we outran him today? Twice in one day.
Twice, I can do it all day.
Soon I'll be going back home.
I'm having fun with him. He wants to play tag. He's it. He can't play tag. He can't tag it, so we can't be it. I can play that game. I'll run you dry until you are tired.
And tomorrow,
Man, I got the stem.
I'll be back, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry about that.
My words gold. Here's the dirt. Not trying to be mean, being truthful. I'm waiting for him. So I can ride around. Man, I know this city better than he do.
You got that right. I know this city too. Not all the streets yet, but I will.
As long as you're with me, you'll find the streets. Shoot. Who's he playing?
I won't have to worry about what much longer because got hold of somebody at the Emancipation Park. They said they have.
Now you hanging out with me, you're going to all these streets, Frankie.
Yeah. The lady said, we have no time for bullying. Got that right.
I ran so fast I didn't even see the dog poo.
Yeah. I got it on mine too. I got it on mine.
Hey, we can run through water and get
See?
that
Front and back. I got my horn right here.
I'll run to them, sorry, but to get them tired so they go home
Hey,
like big babies.
remember how
Then follow them home and get their address.
hey, that boy went this way with us.
Yeah.
And he dropped out that one short down there.
Yeah, I know. Because he can't keep up. He thought he could.
His bike is only 20 inch. Mine is only,
He can't keep up with me.
and only what mine?
Oh, yours is a 24 inch.
24 inch.
Yours, it's a 18 speed. Mine's a 24 speed. Mine's a 24 speed. We'll get a little relaxation in and I'll do it again.
Relax your knees, huh?
Yeah, I'm relaxing my knees. And then we'll go do it again. What are they playing? Man, I'm faster than they are. Shoot. Get yourself a bike. I hope you all get a bike. I'll run you down to the ground. You ain't gonna catch me.
That Mexican boy, he have a bike, so.
Yeah, I get it. I'll make sure your butt gets tired. I'll get you all through the whole city.
And get lost.
And get them lost. And I go back to the park, have fun. Who's he playing? I know this city better than they do.
Yeah, crazy, you know? So
This
see
is
ya.
what I'm gonna do.